Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to introduce you all about my latest end-to-end analytics work. Before that, a short intro of mine. Hello everyone, I am Aritro Vishwas, an aspiring analyst passionate about turning data into actionable insights. I specialize in SQL, Power BI, Python and advanced Excel, and I have completed around 11 personal projects to sharpen my skills. Today I am very excited to give you all a walkthrough about a detailed e-commerce sales analysis project where I grind my knowledge on SQL, Python, Power BI and advanced Excel to uncover the key business insights and drive the strategic growth. Let's deep dive into it. In this project, I analyzed a dataset of around 10,000 e-commerce retail transactions combined with customer reviews. The goal was to identify sales trends, profitability issues, customer satisfaction to help the business optimize strategies. The business faced several challenges including low profitability in some product categories, shipping delays in key states and poor customer service ratings that impacted customer retention. Before diving into complex analysis, I began with a general overview of the dataset using Microsoft Excel to understand the structure and its contents. Firstly, I used Python to clean the raw dataset. This included removing 216 duplicate entries, handling missing values with imputation techniques, structuring the dataset to make it ready for analysis. Then I used to explore order volumes by month using SQL, which showed peak order months as September, November and December, critical periods for strategic planning. Next, I focused on profitability. Using this query, I identified categories and segments with zero profit orders. Next, I focused on revenue leakage, found that discounts over 50% heavily linked to profit loss. Now the main part is customer satisfaction. I analyzed customer ratings to spot potential risks. Customers with ratings below 5 were identified as high risk for cancellations, meaning orders from these customers need double confirmation. Shipping delays can hurt customer loyalty. I examined delays by state and found that California, New York, and Texas had the highest counts of shipping delays over 5 days. To optimize marketing, I analyzed popular product subcategories per customer segment using window functions in SQL. This helps tailor upsell and cross-sell strategies. To bring the analytical insights, I again developed an interactive Power BI dashboard designed for clarity, navigation, and stakeholder actionability. The report features a 5-page layout accessible through a streamlined navigation pane, each focused on distinct layers of business insights. The home page has the quick links to all the report pages via navigation page. The overview has geographical sales performance and sales distribution across product categories and regions. It showing the month-wise order volume trends and the key performance indicator showing that the total revenue of 22 lakhs and the average order value is 458. The conclusion page has the summary of all the pages. Based on the analysis, I recommended reviewing pricing and discount strategies to reduce unprofitable orders, focusing on logistics improvements in states with high delays, prioritizing loyalty programs for top customers to boost retention. The project forecasts an 11% increase in profit margin and up to 9% revenue growth along with 22% better delivery experience. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you want to see more end-to-end data projects or learn about the analytics techniques, subscribe and drop your questions. Until next time, keep analyzing and driving impact with data.